Hi viewers, welcome to another video. We're at Butterley railway station at the moment, Midland Railway Centre. And that was a car just gone past. Let's take a walk around the corner, shall we? See what you can find for you all. Yeah. And that's the old British Railway train over there, used in the 1970s. Now that one over there is a pacer train, 141113. You've got a signal box up there on the left hand side. And then another pacer train, which would be the first one on the right hand side with a yellow frontage. And as you can tell, we're at Butterley, see, 9:20 in the morning on a Sunday morning, yeah. It's steam train day today, Jinty, I believe, 16440, driven by Mr. K. Wind is strong today, folks. Bit too windy for the drone today, in my opinion. Here we've got Butterley signal box, folks. Yep. Come around this way, we've got some more pacer trains, look. Here we've got 14200. Sorry, start again. Here we've got 142011. And over there we've got 142013. One 142013, bright orange design with a yellow frontage, comprising of two carriages. And the blue one is 142011, also comprising two carriages. And over there you've got a signal box again. That one on the right hand side is 141113. Two carriage pacer train. And then cup of tea down here. So I'll make a cup of tea.
You could, yeah, you got a tea down there.
Yeah.
You could ask your viewers to comment what everything does. Does yours do like a super wide lens? Can you zoom to like 0.5?
Yeah.
Can't zoom out anyway.
Zoom in.
Yeah. Does it zoom out though? Oh, wrong way. Somebody very large artist cut the edge of this forward again.
Does anybody know what that one does down there?
Yeah, if you can let us know, then Ian can tell me.
The driver can tell me.
This is a pretty one here. This is the lubricator for the valves and the cylinders, and you'll have just seen a little blob of oil go up there.
Yeah.
It's pressurised from the boiler, but inside this reservoir at the back there's about a pint of very thick oil.
Alright.
There's a little valve inside here, a bit like a, I don't know, like just a very fine controlled needle valve, and we set it so you get a blob of oil comes up here when we're running, about 3 a minute, and you see there's a sight glass here, so you can actually see the flow of oil going down. Some of the engines have like just a mechanical pump that's mounted somewhere down at the front for pumping the oil down. Well, they're quite cute.
Does anybody know what that lever does up there?
Yeah, if you tell us, then we might be able to drive the train.
Yeah. Steamy windows, that reminds me of the Tina Turner song, Steamy Windows.
Yeah, you're not going to get a music copyright strike by mentioning that, are you?
And if I play it?
You could sing it.
No.
I don't know the words. I'll just hum it.
You hum it, I'll sing it.
Yeah.
Train's getting ready to go, folks. Don't forget to subscribe. And the steam engine 16440 is off to Ironville via Swanwick. Bang on time as well, folks, yep. And here we have come in the steam train, folks. Driven by Mr. K, apparently, yeah. The engine's at the other end of a train today, coming in backwards. One 6440, this one is. Keep coming, you're alright, plenty of room at the back. Keep going. Mr. K, get off the train. Look, there he goes. And get some water in the thing. Yep. Needs some water, doesn't it? Those pipe goes in the hole. Fill it up with water.
Look at this beauty there.
Yeah.
1644 out. I love the little jinty.
London Midland and Scottish Railway.
Go on.
LMSR.
Yeah. Looks lovely in the sunshine. So bit of polishing this morning.
Yeah. Going across Butterley Reservoir. We would have put a drone up, but it's too windy at the moment, so we're not doing no droning today, folks. Here he comes now. 16440 Jinty. We still don't know how to drive it, so we need your help with the controls. If you know what controls are, let us know in the comment below, yeah. We're a bit closer to the railway line here, look, very close. Let's move back. The wind is strong today. There it goes, arriving at the platform, yeah. One 6440, this one, Jinty. And don't forget, if you know what controls are, help us drive a train, let us know in the comments below, yeah. We shall be hiding a key ring towards the end of the video later on. You could be finding it if you're lucky. This one was rebuilt in 1973 at Derby. And we're off again. Now where shall we hide a keyring, folks? Keep watching, I'll find out in a minute. In case you're wondering where we've hidden the keyring today, I've not hidden it yet, I'm waiting till the end of the video. Find our keyring, subscribe, and you'll be entered into a draw later in the year, yeah. Here he comes. That's Mr. K looking out and see if they're right. There he is. There's Mr. K on my left hand side, the train driver. The fireman just gone in. Right, I'll be off to hide a keyring now, folks. Right, folks, today's keyring we'll have to hide. It's very windy, so what I'll do is stick it behind that green sign there by the right hand leg. Stick it down the bottom somewhere. Let's have a look. Stick him down there, there he goes, look, there he is. You might be lucky enough to find it. It's behind a green sign at Butterley Good luck in finding out. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you all soon in the next video. Yeah.